Hi, this Metflix video is designed to show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 for PC and Mac. We will start with installing this on Windows. Log on to the student portal at tsr.cardiffmet.ac.uk and navigate to the email tile to access your student emails. Once your email has opened, click on the Settings cog in the top right of the screen and select Office 365 Settings. Click on the Software tab and then choose your language from the drop-down list and click on Install. On the dialog box, click Run. Wait for the Office download box to appear. Office will now download and you will need to stay connected to an internet connection. The download time will depend on your connection speed. Office will then install. This may take a while. Once the installation has finished, click Close. Select No thanks, maybe later at the sign-in screen. Now you are ready to use the software. Now you need to open Office, select Office Open XML format and then click OK. Please note, in order to keep Microsoft Office fully functional, you need to be connected to the internet at least once every 30 days. You can also download Office 365 for your Mac. Log on to the student portal at tsr.cardiffmet.ac.uk and navigate to the email tile to access your student emails. Once your email has opened, click on the Settings cog in the top right of the screen and select Office 365 Settings. Click on the Software tab and then choose your language from the drop-down list and click on Install. The Microsoft Office installer file will then download. Once downloaded, you should open the file to run the Microsoft Office installer. You then need to click on Continue, accept the license agreement and then wait for Office installation. Select Sign in to an existing Office 365 subscription. Sign in with your Cardiff Met student email address. Office has now been installed and is ready to use. If you have any further questions, please contact us. Thank you for watching and remember to check out our other Metflix videos.